potato, red kidney bean and spinach curry. Prepare the ingredients. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized cubes. Place the potatoes in a pot of boiling water. Place the water on a high heat and bring to the boil. Cook until the potatoes are tender but still firm. While the potatoes are cooking, finely chop 1 onion. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Grate 4 tomatoes. Thinly shred 4 handfuls of spinach. Heat a frying pan on a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onions, garlic and ginger. Saute until water evaporates. Add the tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook for a few minutes until the tomato sauce thickens. Add the spinach. Add the potatoes. Add 1.5 cups of cooked red kidney beans. Add 1 cup of soy milk. Stir well. Cover with a lid and cook for a couple of minutes until the spinach is completely wilted. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir well and serve.